Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to solve similar questions to your assignment question, Virtual Lab 9. And we are going to create a table, employees, and this employees table has columns like employee ID, first name, last name, department, and salary. And then we are going to insert 4 records for this table, and then we will answer 5 questions related to that. So let's start with the first one. We need to first use a database, and in this case I've already created an employees database. So I'm going to use employees database. Now database has changed. Now we are going to create a table. Create table is the command, and name of the table is employees. And what I want is employee ID, where I want employee ID to be int. And then I want first name. First name I want to be text. Last name is the next column, and I want it to be text. And then department of the employee is going to be text as well. And next salary is going to be integer. Now we can see if the table is already created. Yes. Now let's select all the records from this table to see what we have as of now. It's an empty set because we have not entered any record yet. In order to enter record, we are going to use insert into command. Insert into employees. And now the employee ID is going to be given in the question. Let's take a look at what is the employee ID given in the question. Employee ID is 102. First name is Bob. Last name is David. Department is IT, and salary 55,000. Let's enter first this record into the table. So what we are going to do is we are going to use insert into employees. And we know that the employee ID is the first row's name. And then we have the first name. And then we have the last name. And we have the department. And we have salary. And we are going to enter values. Here the values is going to be, first value is 102, Bob is the name, and Davis is the last name. IT is the department, and finally the salary is $55,000, and we can close and then enter. Now if we select now the data from employees, it's not going to be anymore an empty set, right? We can be able to see Bob Davis IT $55,000. We will continue and we can copy paste here this one, right? And then instead we are going to change and then enter the other records, which in this case the values is going to be, the next value is 103, and the name of the person is Carol. Instead of Bob, we will type it here Carol. Let's make the C big. And the last name of Carol is Evans. And she's working for HR. And her salary is $48,000. Again, we can select all the records. Select star means select all the records from employees table. And you will see that we have now 2 rows, one for Bob and one for Carol. And finally, we are going to insert the last record, which is the third one. Again, I can copy paste this and then put it here. Insert into. Now, instead of here, the employee ID is going to be 104. And the name is going to be David. And last name is going to be Fox. And marketing, and finally it's $53,000, and we can enter. And now we can see how the data set looks like. Yes, now we have all the records are all added to the table. Now the next question is retrieve all records from the employees table and display them, which we did already. Select star does that. And next one is modify the table structure of employees to add a new column named email. Email is a text variable. Provide the SQL statement. So in order to do that, we are going to use alter command. And what we do here is that alter table, which table? And employees table, right? Employees table. And what we are going to do, we are going to add a new record, add email, which is var character 100. And now let's see, select star from employees and see if we have created that column. And you see there is one new column called email, and that is all null values because we have not added any data. Now the next question is, we need to answer here. Update the record for the employee with employee ID 102 to change the department to marketing. So we are going to change this 102, Bob Davis, now is IT. We are going to change it to marketing. So we will use update command. As you see, SQL is like plain English. Update which table? Employees table. And what we are going to do is we are going to set department to marketing, right, where employee ID is 102. And now we can complete the SQL code. Okay, now we can see select star from employees, and we can detect if that has been changed. Yes, it has been changed. Bob department is now marketing. The next question that we will answer today is the fourth one. Delete the record for the employee with employee ID 103 from employees table. Okay, in order to delete, we are going to use delete command. So we are going to type delete from which table? Employees. But I'm not going to delete everything. Where is a filtering command? Employee ID equals 103. Now let's see again, select star from employees and find out what happened. Seems like 103 is deleted. Okay, let's take a look at the last question. It says, write a SQL query to retrieve all employees who work in the marketing department, include the necessary select statement and conditions. So we are going to filter now. We are not only select everything, but we need to filter the data. When you filter the data, use the where clause. So let's start with select star from employees. And next, I want to know that what I'm filtering, where department is equal to marketing. Now we can close the statement and enter. Now let's do select star. It doesn't, I think, include because I didn't write the department correctly. Select star from employees. And we can continue where department is equal to marketing. Now we can close the statement and then enter. As you see now, both of the records are shown in the screen where department is equal to marketing. Okay, I hope this video helps you to complete your assignment. Thank you for watching this video.